Hi everybody, welcome back. For today's banana souffle, we are going to have 2 large ripe bananas, a 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, a pinch of cinnamon, cream of tartar, 4 egg whites, and a pinch of salt. And this recipe makes 4 to 6 ramekins. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so our first step is to preheat our oven at 400 degrees. Now, we are going to butter our ramekins using a paper towel, just like that, and make sure you cover every bit of it. Okay, and once that's done, you take some sugar. Now, this is extra sugar. It does not count as part of the sugar that I mentioned in the recipe. You're gonna sprinkle and tap out the excess, just like that. So while we prepare the next steps for the souffle, our ramekins are gonna go in the fridge. All right, so our next step is to puree our bananas in either a blender or a food processor. So you take your bananas, you're gonna cut them, and let's transfer to our food processor. All right, so now in a small saucepan, we are going to combine the 1/3 cup of sugar and our 2 tablespoons of water. And this we're gonna bring to a boil over low heat, and we are gonna continuously stir it until the sugar crystals dissolve. So now that the sugar has dissolved, we wanna boil it until it thickens. So this is gonna take another 3 to 5 minutes. The bubbles are gonna appear really thick and they're gonna burst very slowly. So once our puree and the sugar are nice and well combined, we are going to add a pinch of cinnamon. Now, you're gonna remove it from the heat and just set it aside. If it becomes hard again, it's not a big deal. You can just put it back on the heat. Okay. And we're gonna put the puree in a heat-proof bowl to cool. So now in an extra clean standard mixer bowl, we are going to add our egg whites, a pinch of cream of tartar, and a pinch of salt. So using our whisk attachment, we are going to whisk the eggs, and we are looking for them to turn white and opaque. So now we're gonna add an extra tablespoon of sugar, and you're gonna continue mixing it slowly until stiff peaks form. All right, so this is perfect, and now we are going to immediately fold in our banana puree. Transfer it into our cooled ramekins. And they smell absolutely delicious. All right, guys, so now we're gonna place our souffles in the oven. You're going to immediately lower the heat to 375, and these are gonna bake until they're well puffed and lightly browned for 10 to 12 minutes, so keep an eye on them. All right, so our souffles are out of the oven. We're gonna top it off with some powdered sugar. They look absolutely amazing. And be ready to impress your guests. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fun, easy recipes. And make sure to also hit the notification bell for more videos.